CiiVSOFT provides recruitment automation to assist hiring teams and streamline top-of-the-funnel processes. It works through a seamless integration into SuccessFactors to ensure users never have to leave the ATS platform. First, users begin by creating a job in the usual way. CiiVSOFT analyzes job information from the requisition and combines this with learnt data in our systems. CiiVSOFT is triggered when new jobs are injected into the system. Using machine learning, our automated search and matching feature will automatically find candidates inside your SuccessFactors database and recommend those who are a match for your new job. Recommended candidates are then automatically added as prospects against the new job. They can be reviewed by the recruiter in the usual way. Forwarded candidates are not applicants. They can be invited to apply for the job using the SuccessFactors feature. Automated database searching provides a valuable starting point for new jobs prior to any external sourcing. Recruiters can begin engaging with relevant talent quickly and potentially avoid the need to advertise externally. If you choose to advertise your vacancy, this is where our automated job application screening solution steps in. CiiVSOFT automatically reviews, screens, and sifts new incoming job applications. Our screening technology can reduce the time spent in manually reviewing applications by over 90%. New applications are screened using CiiVSOFT's matching algorithm, which automatically compares applicant and job profiles created by the CiiVSOFT system. New applications are received into the vacancy pipeline. Applications screened as unsuitable remain in the first pipeline stage, for later review and rejection if needed. CiiVSOFT does not automatically reject candidates. Matching candidates are then automatically advanced to the next pipeline stage. A custom stage can also be used. Automated job application screening reduces the overall number of applications recruiters need to review, enabling them to focus their time and skills on working with qualified candidates. But what about the applications that were not advanced? Normally, these applicants are left behind in the pipeline or rejected. Instead, with CiiVSOFT, they are given a second chance with talent pipeline automation. Using pipeline automation, CiiVSOFT takes these applications and automatically compares them against all other open jobs. If there is a match, then the applicant is automatically added as a prospect for the new job. Maximize opportunity from every application you receive, regardless of the role applied for. Find out more and get in touch at CiiVSOFT.com.